Curly Cuties? I know it has been crazy long since I've seen you guys, but I wanted to hop on here because I have heard a lot of people in my comment section, on PuffCuff, pretty much everywhere, saying that the PuffCuff is basically just a banana clip. And I'm here to prove to y'all it is not. Yes, I went out and purchased a banana clip just to show y'all the difference. So before we get too deep into this video, I am going to show you guys the difference between the two. And as you guys, if you are familiar with PuffCuff, you already see the main difference, but I'm going to go a little more in depth. This is the banana clip. The banana clip to me is way thinner compared to the PuffCuff. I'll put them up next to each other for you guys to see. But the other thing that I thought was interesting about the banana clip is how wide it opens. It does not open as wide, even like with me pulling it, it doesn't open as wide as the PuffCuff. And it's hard to open it this wide. On the other hand is the PuffCuff. PuffCuff, super easy to open compared to the banana clip. If I, look, I'm literally just holding the center on both of them. If I do that here, the PuffCuff closes, and if you let it, it'll close like that. This won't close back up. And as you guys can see in the relaxed form, this is much thinner than this. So you guys can see that there is in fact a difference between a PuffCuff and a banana clip. So now let's get styling. So I have my mirror here. I don't have any products in my hair or anything. I just wanted to do this pretty quick for you guys just to show you. I'm gonna do this one first, even though I'm scared to use this one because I just feel like the way that the PuffCuff is designed is to give you no tension, no stress, and it's designed to like lock in and like put the pressure on the outside instead of the inside. This is just scary looking. Like, I don't understand why it's straight, because if you guys look at that, like the clips are straight. It looks more like a comb to me. This is literally my first time using it, so you guys get to see that. I think just because I have a lot of hair, I'm skeptical of if this is gonna fit into here, but we'll see. And again, it's a little bit more difficult it's a lot more difficult to open this. This is the banana clip. So, going in, or trying to go in. Yeah guys, it's not even closing on my hair. Like, I don't want to break it before I finish this video out, but it's not even closing on my hair. Because I don't think this is the way you're supposed to wear it. And try and put this in. Yeah. So that's one flaw already. Like, this is way less versatile. And that's, I don't even know how you hide this. But yeah, it's a no for me so far. Waste of my money. It does come out easy, which I wasn't expecting. Let's see if I can get my whole head into it this way instead of up. So I'm opening it all the way, or as much as I can. Again, this is very difficult for me to clamp. And I got it because I was like, I think this is how big my PuffCuff is, but I can't even clamp all my hair in it. So let's try one more time the other way. Like how it's supposed, I was trying to do like half up, half down type of thing. If people are basing getting their size off of this thing, that's why people like might have issues with finding the right size PuffCuff, because this thing is different from the Puff. It's just very, I can't even figure out, how you're supposed to wear it. I'm gonna try and get off camera and see if I could figure it out, and if I can, I'll come back and show you guys. If not, we're just gonna show how much easier the PuffCuff is to use than this. Alright you guys, so I have all of my size PuffCuffs here, but I just wanted to show you this is the original. About, to me, it's like about the same size as this. Like if you close it, like maybe like that much, it looks similar in size. So that's why I got it. Now watch how much hair this can do compared to how much hair that could. This is all of my hair. Clip. Done. This is, oh yeah, this is how I would wear it actually. I would just put like a headband on the front to kind of pull my hair back, but that simple. And comes out just as simple.
Now I'm going to do all the other styles I was doing with the banana cuff just to show how versatile the PuffCuff is. And I'll tell you guys if I switch sizes.
For me, I normally get this size if I'm gonna do half up, half down. So I'll show you guys that. But this is the smaller, this is the junior. And this to me gives me the same look that this did, but the PuffCuff is hidden, way more hidden. And it's not lopsided. Like this was sitting in my hair, head a little like lopsided. Honestly, the PuffCuff is just easier to work with for me. So, and it's more versatile. Like you could do more styles with it. You could buy different sizes to do different styles. If you guys know how I'm supposed to be using this and if I'm using it wrong, let me know in the comments below. But yeah, this is definitely a no for me. Definitely gonna be using PuffCuffs as I always do. So again, the two sizes that I used in this video were the junior and the original, and they gave me the same styles but less tension on my head and basically just better, like better, because I feel like this is tight. Like I can feel it in my head right now, and with the PuffCuff you can't feel it in your head. Like sometimes I forget I'm wearing it. That's how good it is. But yeah, this is a no for me. So one more time so that y'all don't come in my comments or PuffCuff comments talking about it's the same. It is not the same. It is not just a banana clip. It is something that's actually innovative and better for your hair than this other, and your head in general than this thingy. So definitely get a PuffCuff. And if you guys want to try out a PuffCuff, my code is curly by nature. As you guys know, I'll put it down here. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and I will see you next time. Bye.
You the baddest girl that I ever seen.